Picture! Galaw! Isa pa. Go! Ano? Oh, smile!
Ano, si Thanos. Hala, ay.
Ay. Pormadong-pormado, oh. Titong-tito na, oh.
Mama, can I see your mommy?
Bakit duling?
Ano ba? May ganun.
Smile!
Wait.
Smile!
We're not the first one.
Smile! Ngiti ka ka!
No.
Gusto niya si Thanos kasi.
Aga na. Gagatin mo yung ano, yung... Oh, sige na. Sorry.
Did you wash your hands, guys?
We wash our hands.
Nagyan yung tsura mo.
Wash your hands, Marcelo. Tapos palit ka ng t-shirt.
Not until you get my body.
Oh, sige. Pag nag... Ay!
Okay na.
Oh,
Wow, smooth yun, ah.
Puta.
Buta! Butata! Wow, nag-freestyle si Miguel, oh.
She's in her own house.
So good luck with that.
Yeah.
Good luck with that.
That's it. Where's the good gun? Where's the gun? Where's the gun? Where's the gun?
Susugurin mo.
Pinagkatago niya sa sagot ni Miguel. Ayan, pinagkasabay ng big boy na.
Pero kasi siya nung una-una pa ba, no?
Malap na lang may brother mo. Love na lang tayo, aminin.
Wow! Wow! Wow!
Sabihin mo, I love my baby brother. Don't be shy. Baby girl pa, nahihiya na. Baby girl pa, nahihiya na.
Since you don't mean big girl, so you got it all wrong.
I got it all
Big
wrong.
girl na, pasubong pa.
Oh, big girl na, pasubo pa.
Big girl na,
Nag-freestyle si Miguel, eh.
Big girl na, hindi pa naubos bata.
Big girl na, pati pa nag-wash up.
Big girl na, hindi pa naliligo.
Big girl na, pati pa magtutulog.
Big girl na, asim na kilikili.
Big girl na, pati big blue ka.
Big boy na, iriiyak pa. Oh, ano? Ay, naiinis talaga niya pag...
Finish.
Hindi naiinis si Marcela pag inaasap ko si Miguel.
It's not finished. Big girl na, ayaw mapupunta sa bahay namin pa. That's your punishment.
Big girl na, ay sumama sa palengke.
Big girl na, ayaw magsumama sa akin.
Ikaw nga yun eh. Big girl na, di sumama
Well,
sa
let me tell you something. Do you wanna join us at Hong Kong?
Why? Why?
I'm just testing.
Yes.
Do you wanna join us at Japan?
Yes.
Do you wanna join us at America?
Yes.
Do you wanna join us at the boring country?
Yeah. We're going to Japan?
Yeah,
What are you going to do there?
we're just gonna play snow.
You're not gonna shop?
Kaya mo yun? Malo, no?
Paano mo puti kilikili mo isa?
Nag-record ako, eh. So,
Sa kabila.
never ako nag-comment ng ganun sa video.
Big boy na, naglilipat pa ng remote.
Big boy na, nag-i-skip pa ng boring parts.
Big boy na, baliktad pa t-shirt.
Big boy, big girl na, pa-scared. Pa-watching scary movies pa.
Big girl na, takot pa manood ng scary movies.
Big boy na.
Ano sa'yo? O, game. Tayo ka, anak.
Wow.
Yay! O, one more. O.
One more.
Gusto Marcela. Medyo.
Oh.
Nice! O, Marcela's turn.
Wow.
Ayun, no?
Show it to me.
One more.
Yeah,
Wow.
do make it cake.
Wow.
Ano? Ito ginagawin pa. Nice. O, marunong na siya isang gano'n. Tura mo yung dribble na ano.
Wow.
Nice!
Marcela. Wow. One more.
I almost did like this. But I just only did like this. Show it to me, okay? Wait, I'll do it again.
No, Marcela's turn pa.
Oh!
Wow.
Uy, muntik na. Uy, mati ka sa TV, anak.
No!
Guys,
Stop!
One more.
Not tired.
Wow.
Bounce. One bounce.
This is how
One
we
bounce
kind
muna.
of like. And this is Papa. This is
Papa, tinatry niya yung ginawa mo kanina. Pakita mo yung Papa.
One more.
Oh, bounce. One bounce.
Nice.
Go. Uy, yung TV, anak. Parang baliktad yung damit mo, anak. Ano? Binaliktad ba niya? Tara, paliktad.
Dito.
Ha?
Malaki ito.
Hindi, baliktad yung damit mo. Palitan ko, wait. Go. 1, 2, 3, go. Uy. Ginagaya talaga yung sa ano mo. Yun, no? Papa, pag meron kayo.
Here. Now head over to Head Accessories and equip this red beam.
Smile.
You have on your inventory already.
Yes, Miguel. I got a surprise for you.
Wow, purple hair for the first time. Purple hair for the first time. And why does it smell good here? At the old
Kitang-kita sa'yo. Galing ba? Ingit ka?
It does look nice, but they don't have any more. They don't have more. Get me a purple hair too. Get me a purple hair.
Ubus na.
Your hair is
A-picture
black
kayo ni
kasi.
Papa. A-picture kayo. White kasi buhok ni Papa. Kaya kitang-kita. A-picture kayo ni Papa. Bilis. Bilis, Papa! Mark Miguel! Picture kayo.
Come on.
Miguel! Oh, ganun. Ba't ganun din? 1, 2, 3, smile! Wait lang. Pag tagal mo yung mukha mo yan. Parang magkamukha kayo. O, game. picture face. Smile. 1, 2, 3, smile. Yung... Oh, smile. Smile. Akit nyo. Yay!
What's my favorite? What's my favorite? What's my favorite necklace?
The cross one. With black
What's
cross.
my favorite iPad? Thanos.
Oh! Pero yung tissue ka sa... Ay, nawala na.
Let's go do something. Stand up. Okay. I think you don't. Okay. 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 No, not that one. Okay. Return.
Matulog na, matulog na. Matulog na kayo, anak. Anong oras na? Yun o, ano pa? Yun o, ano pa? Video yan. Wow, walang music. Oh, video. Smile.
No video.
Oh, video.
Wait lang, Miguel. Wait lang, Miguel.
Tita pa sa
I don't want to be still.
Oh, sige.
I want to be just
Oh,
still.
sige.
You said you're gonna be there tomorrow.
Smile na kayo, anak.
My video!
Video nga to. Ano ba?
Why are you telling us to smile?
Oh, sige. Oh.
Don't even force us. Wait. I got my head to green light. Wait lang, Miguel. Wait lang, Miguel, copy me. Wait, Miguel lang do this. Ratatatata. Tung sahur. Ah.
Nabibideo ako, nakikita ko.
Okay, now good. Now. Tung sahur.
Mamaya na yung book.
Yeah.
So, ako rin yung gano'n yung gusto ko yung gano'n. Gusto ko yun yung parang gano'n yung umikat yung ulo.
Come on. Yan.
Huwag ka kasi. 1, 2, 3, go.
Ratata. I will do it.
Hindi nga, magaling naman. 1, 2, 3, wait lang, hindi pa. 1, 2, 3, go. Ano sayaw yan?
Ay, kama!
Kaya, ayun lang, masakit.
Sino magtangkad? Sino tangkad? Oh, pick mo. Sino
Swag.
magtangkad ng band?
Yeah.
Ang kumag-
Wala pang music yan, ha?
Pa. Sino?
Galing.
Ikaw na song.
Papasong daw, kasasayaw daw siya.
Hmm?
Sasayaw daw siya.
Sino ba matangkad? Wala ginabala mo namin.
O, di kita mabibidyohan, ha? Sasayaw ka lang.
Wow! Thunder! Can you see my hair? No, Pepelo.
Nagiri sa'yo pa.
I want to hold it. No, I want to hold it. You're really good. Give me that. Mama.
Again, Marcela.
Napipikan mo na ako. Ano pa?
Kikikika. Ola kikika.
Tayo mga magsayaw? Tayo mga magsayaw? Oh. Bakit ba? Magsayaw ka. Kitabas. Ayun. Na-obsess siya sa boots mo ate. Ganun. Oh, come on. Hi guys, no reaction challenge po. Lemon. Parang wait lang, wait lang.
Lemon.
Oh wow, isa pa. Sipsipin mo.
Ako mag-ano.
Oh, pero...
No reaction.
Hindi. Oh. Ah.
Lasa. Ay, nakita na.
No reaction.
How about Miguel? Oh, Miguel's turn.
Keep up. Beep up.
Go.
Bite it. Bite.
Oh.
No reaction.
No reaction.
No reaction.
Ano naman yung reaction mo, anak?
Bigyan mo nga konti ate.
Isa nga ako.
Peekaboo! Game over! Game over.
I found you.
We
I
win.
found you.
We win.
Andito lang ako.
I know. We were looking through.
Peekaboo!
I win!
Lasa. Ay, nakita na.
No reaction.
How about Miguel? Oh, Miguel's turn.
Papa.
Go.
Bite it. Bite.
Oh.
No reaction.
No reaction. No reaction.
No reaction.
Ito ba yung gagawin mo?
Yeah.
Ipagsan niya ba yung baby siya?
Oo. Wala naman yung reaction mo, anak.
Bigyan mo ng konti ate.
Gagayahin mo si Ken. Bakit ba? Baba mo pa. Bakit ba?
Ganito ang daming ganito.
How about Justin? Yung umpisa. Ngayon na naman, nananakit ka na naman eh. Aray! Oh, what about Tel? Kita pa. Ano pa yan? Ano pa? Ang paho. Sabi mo, kita ba? Ay, sige, sisend ko to kay Papa nang didila ka. Hindi ko na ito mapapost. Ayan, pagpapakita ko to sa pagtanda mo. Ginaganyan mo ako kadiri. Mandidiri ka sa sarili mo. Papakita ko to. Sabihin ko, anak ko, ganito ginagawa mo sa mama mo dati o nilalawayan mo yung buong pisngi, buong mukha. Saka hinawa kay Dede. Ay, nako, abusado ka. Gigil ka na naman sa utong ko. Hello, guys. Welcome back to our channel. Gigil na naman siya. Oh, ini-imagine na naman niya dumidede siya kay mama niya. Big boy ka na, anak. Stop it na. Yak, laway na laway. Baho.
Teacher, I have a good dream.
Okay, what's your dream?
I have a good store.
Louder.
I go to store
And then?
and I buy shoes
And then?
and I buy a green shoes.
And then?
I was born
Ito. Tapos?
and nobody at the job was there and mama's there and Lola was there.
Ano ba? Ano ba? Yun lang, yun ang naalala mo? Okay. Good dream.
I wake up.
And then? Okay na? What about Papa? Wala si Papa dun, no?
Yes.
Okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you tomorrow. Have a great time. Belfast.
Uy, ano ba? Hi guys! So, meron pong another dream daw si Miguel.
A superhero.
Louder, ano?
A superhero.
Oh, tapos?
I was taking Spider-Man
Okay.
and took her to the dentist
And then?
to clean her tooth.
Okay.
And Thor was there. I'm watching him.
Ano? Ano? Clear mo yung sabi mo. Thor was there.
Thor was there.
Okay.
And she's a superhero.
Okay.
And I'm ready.
Okay. I don't know shouting na.
And Spider-Man say, let's get out of here.
Okay.
And Deadpool say, wow, I like this place.
Baka magulo yung camera. O, tapos?
And okay. And everything, I wake up, and I buy a shoes.
Okay.
And I go to the store.
Okay.
And everything. I go to hand.
Okay.
The end.
Okay.
Tapos na. Oh.
Wag kang sumigaw, game.
Today I found out the drain.
What?
Animals!
Ano?
Spiders come out.
Spiders were coming out?
Spiders!
Okay.
Okay.
Yun lang?
The end!
Eh, panaginip mo today?
We can look apple.
Pugi kaya si Miguel. Pangit ka daw? Pangit mo yung mukha mo?
That's ugly!
Pangit ka daw? Patingin nga.
That's ugly!
Ano yan? Ay, 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 ay.
Miguel's muting.
Ay, pangit ka daw. Aray, aray.
Everyone and the viewers, like and subscribe if you think Miguel is ugly. Comment down below.
Ugly ka daw? Pakita mo mukha mo.
Let's do a full set video.
Ano gagawin natin? Mag-video tayo?
Yeah.
Anong mag-review tayo? Oo. Andyan sa labas. O sige. Ate Jonalyn will be your mother now, okay? Okay, you love mo Ate Jonalyn more than me. Bakit?